Imagine a world where para athletes don't just play, they dominate. A world where wheelchair basketball players have real time insights into their performance, endurance, and health, just like elite athletes in mainstream sports. But today, they don't. Data driven performance optimization in adaptive sports is stuck in the past. But this is until now. Para athletes train hard, but they're missing the critical data driven edge that modern sports science provides. Coaches completely rely on observation instead of precise performance metrics. Athletes risk fatigue and injury because there's no real time monitoring of exertion, recovery, and biomechanical movement. Existing sports tracking systems aren't designed for wheelchair athletes. They are built for able bodied sports, leaving a massive gap in adaptive sports performance. This is where WheelTrack changes the game. I have created a new market space by introducing the first dual sensor system that seamlessly integrates biomechanical tracking, cardiovascular monitoring, and wheelchair dynamics all in one real time platform built exclusively for para athletes. Hand sensors track IMU data, acceleration, stability, and movement precision. Wheelchair sensors analyze speed, agility, and maneuverability. Heart rate and SpO2 monitoring ensures athletes train within safe exertion limits. Temperature tracking prevents heat related fatigue. We are not competing with traditional sports tracking companies. We are creating an entirely new category: real time, AI powered adaptive sports analytics specialized only for para athletes. Here's how WheelTrack eliminates, reduces, raises, and creates value. Eliminates guesswork in training. There's no more subjective coaching decisions. Reduces the risk of injury by tracking fatigue and recovery in real time. Raises competitive performance through data driven training plans. Creates an entirely new way for para athletes to measure and optimize their game, just like elite Olympians. Market: wheelchair basketball has experienced significant growth, with over 100,000 registered athletes worldwide and major leagues operating in more than 30 countries. The Paralympic Games have seen a 25 increase in viewership, with wheelchair basketball being one of the most watched events. Despite this, adaptive sports technology remains largely undervalued. The global sports tech market, currently valued at $17.9 billion, is projected to grow at a CAGR of 20.8% by 2027. Yet, only 5% of sports tech solutions cater to adaptive sports. This presents a massive untapped opportunity that WheelTrack is uniquely positioned to lead. Beyond wheelchair basketball, our technology has the potential to expand into other adaptive sports, such as wheelchair racing, which has seen a 30% growth in participation globally, as well as adaptive tennis and hand cycling. Additionally, WheelTrack offers significant opportunities for B2B partnerships with the ability to integrate its real time performance insights into coaching applications, fitness platforms, and sportswear brands looking to serve into the para athlete community. By creating an entirely new segment in adaptive sports performance analytics, WheelTrack is not just responding to market demand, it is defining the future of data driven training for para athletes. The world is waking up to the power of adaptive sports. The Paralympics are bigger than ever. Sports technology is booming. Inclusion and accessibility are driving industry wide change. WheelTrack is not just a product, it's a movement to redefine what's possible in adaptive sports. The future of sports belongs to all athletes. WheelTrack is leading that future. Join us as we revolutionize adaptive sports performance. Let's not just change the game, let's change lives.